Up bright and early for a workout today. That view is what's getting me up this morning. Welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I would film a vlog since I am currently in Byron Bay, which is a little town, well not a little town, it's actually quite big. It's a town about 3.5 hours away from where I live, so I'm on holiday with my family and Ryan is here as well because they got some time off work and I was lucky enough to be able to as well. So we're out here for 5 days. My parents got a really nice holiday house which I'll show you around soon. So yeah, we're just exploring. Today we're going to go to some waterfalls and I'm not sure what else we're doing, but I'm going to film it because this place is amazing. We've been having the best time already. I've been here for 2 nights and yeah, so I thought I would vlog today since it's too pretty. And right now I am sitting on a little chair looking out at the view. I'll probably film over the next couple of days because I'm sure we'll be doing lots of interesting stuff and I'll just want to be filming everything. And I'll show you around the house as well because it's really, really cool. It's like old American style kind of house. How cool is that door? Little spiral staircase up to the main bedroom. Look at this bathroom. Bit messy at the moment, we're doing some washing. You can't even see. It's like a really cool stone shower. Yes. Stop. Ow! I just stood on a rock. That hurt. I'm gonna collect Ryan. This is our little area. It's a separate little house thing. I don't know. Hello.
Hey.
This is our trash room.
Alright, it don't take long.
I know.
It doesn't take long to just trash a room.
Nah. A lap pool. It's freezing, the water, so we haven't been in there yet. There's a little spa. I don't really understand these things. What era is this? Do you reckon this house is like...
Lord of the Rings.
Lord of the Rings.
That's what they are.
Okay.
Would you like a pint?
Would you like a pint?
Come on.
Alright, we're going. We made it! Where are we? Minyon Falls.
Minyon Falls.
So we got a little walk and then we go to some falls.
We're trying to find, who's the Minion's boss?
The Minion's group.
Who's the Minion's boss?
Oh, wow!
Probably a really good phone.
Oh, hi family!
Hello.
You're doing that thing again where you're all in like your stances like a band. Okay, let's go! I don't know why I decided to wear bright white shoes on a hike covered in mud.
So good.
Found Tarzan.
Plane of primates coming out.
Oh my god. This is amazing!
You must have heard online.
Wow.
Not deep enough.
I'd just like to see it, right?
I love watching it fall over the cliff.
Oh, okay.
It's so hard to capture on camera. Look at Ryan down there. That just shows how big this is. He wants to go underneath the waterfall. Oh my gosh!
Have more water come down now. Look.
He's loving it. Did you know you're crazy?
Wow. I couldn't hear what you were saying, so I didn't know if you were.
I was getting so scared. I was like yelling at you.
And you were just like, you kept going.
Yeah, I didn't know what you were saying. I was like,
so funny.
I was like, I'm sweet.
You were scaring the hell out of me.
It was fun.
Was it?
Right?
Yeah, it was awesome. It looked amazing.
I started to get scared that rocks were going to fall off the cliff.
We were scared that you were gonna.
we were scared as well.
All done now. Now going back to the car, and then we'll go get some food and have a nice picnic. I think. Definitely walked up an appetite. Don't know what went on there. Oh, it was definitely a lot harder coming back up. Ryan ran up, of course.
Yeah, beat her by 6 minutes.
Yep. There's a dinosaur under the table. No, it's not. Now we're at the top of the waterfall. We decided to stop for some lunch instead.
It said salad, which is tomato.
Yum. Good?
Come here.
Come here.
What are we
Had
doing?
some lunch, and now we are going to the second waterfall, and I'm gonna go for a swim.
Yeah. Mommy, look what I did. Look what I did. I made this for you.
You're disgusting. If you look closely, you can see fish jumping out of the water. Is that fun?
There's a poo in between my toes. There's a poo in there.
22 years old. That's all I have to say.
Ooh. Ooh.
We just got back to the house and we missed the sunset, so I'll make sure I film it tomorrow because it looks so pretty.
You kind of see it.
Yeah.
Not like
Well, not really. The sun's gone behind the mountain, but it still looks pretty. That was a really nice day, wasn't it?
that was quite nice.
I've got very dirty feet now. Dirty shoes, I should say. We're just going to play some board games tonight, have some dinner, just chill, and then tomorrow I don't know what we're doing yet, but I'm going to film that as well, I think. Look at my fam. Heading up to a lighthouse. It's too much walking for my liking. Where are we?
Oh gee, they couldn't even see you, so short.
Australia. Oh, thank you.
If you look at
Why don't you let me go sit on the edge?
I said you pussy.
My family won't let me. It's so windy. There it is.
Look like the eagle.
Have you been up here before?
I've never been here. I've never been close to a lighthouse before. I want to touch the lighthouse.
You're sweating.
Film me.
He's gonna go touch the White House. The White House? The lighthouse. Wow.
Ouch.
Ready.
Hardcore parkour.
Oh! That was awesome. Time we're gonna have an orgasmic falafel apparently. Does that sound good? That's filthy.
It's out on the edge. You know what I reckon we do?
Yummy. 3.5 hours drive and I'm back home to reality. My family have continued on to Melbourne, which I think is another 20 hours away. Yes. They're going to be doing that and I'm going to be at home alone because I've got work and some other stuff to do. So yes, I'm just going to be hanging out. I'm about to go pick up my kitty. I've got a friend coming up in a few days, so we'll be hanging out. So that should be good. But yeah, I thought I would switch on the camera and say thank you for watching. I don't even know where I left off the vlog. I hope it wasn't all over the place, but I hope you enjoyed it anyway. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you did. And please subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos from me because I make videos every single week. And yeah, hopefully I will see you in my next video.